Okay, I'm doing a video. This is the return line, and we traced it to beneath a piano upstairs. So it comes around here, goes into here, and the squirrel fan is right there. I'm not sure, I can't trace this one neither. It goes up here, so I can't find it. There might be a rug over it or something. I pulled the front panel off the furnace. Guess this is a safety thermostat. And it doesn't look like there's anything untoward in here that I can see. So I don't know. I was thinking if it's restricted airflow, wouldn't having this cover off, wouldn't that give it makeup air? No, I don't know. Because it seems to me it comes in up there, and it's drawn in through the end of the fan and then pushed out around the box. When it blows good. Make them feel it moving air here. Blowing real good. Goes up there, and along this. It looked like somebody pulled this down to maybe look up in there or something. I don't know. This is it. This flat duct. The makeup air is the one next to it, the round one, and you can see all the branch offs. There's a lot. They have a lot of heating registers. Plus it's 2 floors. These two are for upstairs. They look relatively new. This is for the closed-dried laundry. I cannot find an air intake from outside the house. These are all registers. This is heat. This is the intake or makeup. It goes up here. And there's a piano. Oh, there it is. Under the piano. Well, there's about an inch. That's what we found so far.